final video lecture, and it is on cells. First, we're going to talk about eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus that controls the working of the cell. All cells are surrounded by a plasma membrane made of phospholipids and proteins. Eukaryotic cells also have the plasma membrane that regulates what enters and exits the cell. Inside the plasma membrane, the nucleus is surrounded by cytoplasm. Plant cells have a cell wall in addition to the plasma membrane. Now we're going to talk about prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are a group of organisms whose cells lack a cell membrane-bound nucleus. A prokaryotic cell structure is made up of capsule, cell wall, cytoplasm, cell membrane or plasma membrane, villi, flagella, ribosomes, plasmids, and nucleode region. Next is the nucleus. The cell's nucleus consists of a nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromosomes. The nuclear membrane is a double membrane that has 4 phospholipid layers and large pores through which materials pass. It also contains a viscous liquid known as nucleoplasm. Next is the endomembrane system. The endomembrane system is made up of the ER, the Golgi apparatus, vacuoles, and other important parts. But let's first talk about the ER. The endoplasmic reticulum's main function is to synthesize proteins for the cell and also to produce membrane for the cell. The Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins and also lipid-filled vesicles from the ER, packages them, processes them, and distributes them within the cell. Finally, there are vacuoles. Vacuoles are called when they are large, and vesicles when they are small. Are membranous sacs in the cell that store substances. Finally, we are going to talk about the cytoskeleton. The eukaryotic cytoskeleton is a network of filaments and tubules that extend from the nucleus to the plasma membrane. The cytoskeleton contains 3 types of elements responsible for cell shape, movement within the cell, and movement of the cell. They are called actin filaments, microtubules, and intermediate filaments. To conclude, this is my video lecture about cells. Cells are very important to the human body. They tie everything and everyone together, and they are the basic blocks for human life.